Where does the name for Church Stretton come from? So today I'm in Church Stretton, in Shropshire. It's a town in a valley between the Long Mynd and Hope Boulder. Let's get into the name. Now this name is fascinating because it gives us a little insight into the world of the earliest Anglo-Saxon settlers in England. Now there were of course people here before the Anglo-Saxons came across the sea on boats. They mostly spoke one of the ancestor languages to Welsh, with some of the administration and upper classes, especially in the southeast of England, being somewhat Latinised from the Roman occupation. In the past, people theorised that there was a series of wars and genocides that simply pushed all of these initial people out and into Wales, Cornwall and the Old North, and the south of Scotland, etc. But I don't really think that's the case. It's too simplistic, especially this far west into England. I think the shared toponymy in this area, especially in river names, shows a far more gradual process of anglicisation as well. Here we can see how the Old English-speaking settlers in the region interacted with the cultures that preceded them. In Old English, a paved road was called a strat, the ancestor word to the modern word street, and at that time there was only really one kind of paved road, and that was the old Roman roads. So they built 3 settlements here, or as they would call it, a tun, and named them after the road, Strat Tun. Later on, to differentiate it, they added qualifiers, smaller names. That gave us All Stretton, supposedly after the name of a settler, Alfred, Church Stretton, because of the church, and Little Stretton, the smallest one. So where is the Roman road here? Well, roughly where the A49 is now, and it used to connect Werconium, or Wroxeter now, and Lentwardine, which they used to call Browonium. Whilst it may have started as an Anglo-Saxon settlement on a Roman street, it grew into a medieval market town, rebuilding after a devastating fire in 1593, before the arrival of the railway in the 19th century transformed it into a popular destination for visitors exploring the Shropshire hills. So the name literally means street town. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.